Hey everyone, we have the Dewalt battery and this one is not working, so let's open it. Okay, definitely something bad was happening here and I need to clean it. What the heck was here? Okay, it looks like bad soldering here. It was the fuse. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to measure the voltages. For doing that, it's good to turn on your multimeter. 3.54, 54, 5, almost 4, 54. Okay, that looks not bad. So we will jam this one and we will run the battery, and then I will run the capacity test. But I think it will be good because I stopped working of this bad soldering on the fuse place, and if the fuse place breaks not for the first time, that means the customer is just abusing the tools and no one can help him basically. If you are overloading your tools, who can help you? I think no one. Okay, let's cool down a little bit, and when it's cooled down, it will hold this plate in place, and we can solder the other end of it. You can see how the solder underneath the plate has melted, so that's very good. And now we are joining them together like that. Okay, nice and slow. Okay, now it will cool down and we will prepare the gem plaster here. Okay. Putting the sticker here, you can still insert this core. The spring. covering the battery, and Dewalt almost always closes harder than other power tool batteries. I know it's saving on the housing space, that half millimeter or what, I don't know, but maybe it's worth it. Okay, so the one light I will put to the charger, run the test, but basically it fixed. Thank you for watching, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe. For now, just bye.